Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Foundation Week, where every day for 7 days I'm testing out a new foundation for you. I'm really excited. This whole week has been going really well. I hope you've been enjoying it. If you've missed any of Foundation Week, I'll link a playlist up in an iCard so you can check it out. And if you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos so you don't miss out on Foundation Week and I'm gonna have some really good foundations coming up, you guys. New foundations, so make sure you're subscribed. So today is my daughter's birthday. And you may think, oh, that has nothing to do with Foundation Week. Yes, it does. Because of her birthday, I'm taking out the big guns and I wanted to put on a foundation that I'm hoping will look flawless all day long. So this is the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation. It is new. You have asked me to try it for a while. I've gotten so many questions about this, so many tags on Instagram, so I'm really excited to finally be trying this out. I really loved their stick foundation, so we'll see how this one goes. So this is how I do my reviews. I test out the foundation and I do check-ins, wear test check-ins with you guys. I bring you in really close so you can see all in my face. I have lines here on my forehead, so we'll see if it works for someone with fine lines. I have dry skin. I'm going to see if it oxidizes. Does it transfer? I'm going to check the flash. I'm going to swatch this next to other foundations that match me. We're going to see what Huda Beauty claims and does it do what it claims. So I'm really excited, you guys, to be testing this out. I have the shade Toasted Coconut 240N, which is a light medium neutral shade. That's the shade that I am in their stick foundation. So this is probably going to be my perfect match. And if you're wondering what shade I am, I put a list down in the description box. So let's get started with what the company claims. This retails for $40. It's the Luminous Matte Foundation. They have about 39-40 shades from what I can see. It's supposed to be a liquid formula, matte finish. It's vegan, full coverage, fragrance free. Their first foundation was not fragrance free, so it's exciting to see that they changed that and that this has no fragrance. It is cruelty free, so it's a cult favorite fragrance free foundation with full coverage up to 24 hours of wear and luminous matte finish. It's full coverage, it's matte, and we're gonna see if it works with my dry skin.
Okay, here we go. Here are the swatches. That first swatch is the Huda Beauty Toasted Coconut. The second one is a Huda Beauty Stick in Toasted Coconut. You can see it's a little bit darker. The third one here is the NARS Soft Matte in Stromboli. And the last swatch is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 220.
I'm starting out with the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to put that baby on. I do have dry skin and I do have a list of foundations that match me down below. Toasted Coconut is a light medium with neutral undertones and it's the best match for me in their stick foundation. So I'm guessing this will be no different. So on this side of the face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. sponge. I will link it below. And on this side, I will use the IT Cosmetics Love as a foundation brush. So my daughter's turning 1 today. She turned 1 today. Today's her birthday. And we're doing like a fiesta theme party. So I'm super excited because I'm Mexican, if you didn't know. And so having like a little Mexican party for her. So I'll show you guys like all that kind of stuff. It seems like you guys have been enjoying seeing little glimpses of like my day or like what I'm doing. I know that one of the days I redid my son's room. I'm going to be going to the ice castles this week. And like it's her birthday. So I wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it'd be kind of fun. So here we go with a brush. And this is a perfect match. Yeah, it's a perfect match. So I'm making sure to swipe down lightly with the brush because that's what's going to give you that flawless filter look that she has on her foundations. Like a flawless foundation, you kind of have to swipe down with a brush. That's what's going to blur the pores. Definitely going to can go up to full coverage if I wanted to. I'm good with this coverage. I think it looks really nice. And I think both sides blended in really, really nicely. So I'm excited. That's really good. I'm going to go in with a concealer, the NARS concealer, and then I'm going to set my face with the Peach Perfect and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back. Okay, we're in front of natural lighting. I thought I would show you how the foundation is looking. I sprayed this side of the face. Matches me perfectly. And is looking so good. I love the side that's sprayed, I always do, but this is looking good, you guys. This was a good choice. This was a good choice for today. I look really flawless. Very similar to the stick foundation. Made me look really flawless, doesn't feel heavy, feels light, feels nice. Liking it so far. Show me your glasses. Show me your glasses. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, do you guys like this? Is this exciting? Wow. What does your shirt say, guys?
It says nothing.
It says fiesta like there's no mañana. Super cute. I'll link that shop below. I got those from this cute shop.
What does that mean?
Means fiesta till there's no mañana. So party like it's no tomorrow.
Go over there. Sure.
Like light it?
Let's just sing. You don't need to light it. You don't need to light it. Let's just sing. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, go ahead.
Grandpa, start it.
Good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Hiram. Happy birthday to you. You scared?
So delicate.
Just hold it up to her face.
1, 2, 3.
Like your hand's like all stiff. I'm like trying to put it. I'm sorry.
That is so cute. Okay, so I'm here to tell you my full thoughts now on the Huda Beauty foundation. Last night I wore it for over 12 hours and I did film. I am going to be showing you how it looked at the very end of the night right before I washed my face, so you could really see how the foundation kind of withstood all of the partying. But I had such a good time last night. Like her 1-year-old party was so freaking cute. Comment below and tell me what you think about how it all went down. But then my best friend kind of stayed at our house for the rest of the night. We went and got our toes done. Like we just hung out. So there was just a lot that I did yesterday. But I'm back. I'm going to tell you what I think about this foundation. I'm actually wearing it again today. I sprayed my entire face. And this today I used the Milk Hydro Grip primer underneath and I really love it. So yeah, let me show you what the foundation looked like. This looked bomb after all of the craziness. Like, I wore this, like I said, I wore it from morning till night, no touch-ups. It looked fantastic. I didn't notice it transferring. I didn't notice it fading. I didn't notice it moving around. It pretty much stayed put on my face, gave me my coverage, looked very smooth, and looked nice. It didn't make my skin look dry, which I was super, super impressed with. I did wear my mask quite a bit yesterday because I went and got my toes done and just like all the things that I was doing. So I was surprised how well it withstood the mask. It wasn't completely transfer proof, but it did very, very, very well. I was super impressed. I wasn't worried that all of my makeup would have been taken off from wearing that mask. It did last longer than the Huda Beauty stick foundation as far as like it didn't move around. Not that this one moves around a ton, but like with the mask, this one will transfer easier, I feel like, than this one because of the matte formula that this one has. It just really sinks into the skin and just stays put. But I love it. I think it's so good. If you like the matte look, if you like matte foundations and you have dry skin, this is a good one. This is a good one to try because it's not gonna dry out your skin, but it's gonna give you that matte look and it's gonna last a long time. It's gonna give you that coverage while feeling light. I am so glad that this baby is not heavy because every time I look at this bottle, it just reminds me of, for some reason, just everything that everyone says about how heavy the first one was. It makes me think of the Milani foundation. That is just so cakey and so like too much. This feels so light while giving you extreme coverage, the matte look, the longevity. I really, really like it, you guys. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. There was nothing bad that I could say about this foundation. It looked great under flash. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another foundation review. Make sure you subscribe. Go check out my Instagram. I'll have more pictures of the party there, and it was just really fun. I hope you've been enjoying me kind of sharing that kind of stuff with you guys. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.